Why stone veneer is becoming increasingly popular in home design. Dear friends, designing the look and feel of your home isn't easy, especially when there are so many colors and materials to choose from. One innovative material that's growing in popularity with contractors and DIYers alike is stone veneer. The perfect choice for a new build or renovation project, stone veneer is a manufactured form of stone that offers many advantages over traditional natural stone. Here are a few reasons why it's a smart decision for your home's exteriors. 1. Unique finishes. Looking for a rough, rugged texture? An elegant, high-end color? From classic to the contemporary, farmhouse to modern, there's virtually no limit to the design possibilities stone veneer offers. You can also customize the look and feel of your home with the many accessory options available. Complement your color choices and style with a stone stencil of your address or a sleek stone ledge around your windowsill. 2. Easy to install. Lightweight and easier to transport and work with, many contractors prefer stone veneer. But it's also a do-it-yourself project you can tackle with confidence. All you need are a few basic tools and the included stainless steel clips and screws. We also provide simple-to-follow instructions. 3. Budget-friendly. Stone veneer is much more affordable than natural stone, which is one of the main reasons why it's so popular with homeowners. It still offers the same beautiful, finished look and strong performance as natural stone, so you're still getting great value for your investment. 4. Eco-friendly. Making green design choices is becoming increasingly important for many homeowners looking to do their part to protect the planet. Fortunately, when you build with stone veneer, you can have peace of mind that you're having a minimal impact on the environment. 5. Longevity. Standing up to harsh weather and extreme temperature swings, stone veneer is an excellent investment in your future. It's also resistant to fire, making stone veneer a much better option than wood or vinyl siding. The high quality of stone veneer can even mean a lifetime of performance with minimal maintenance required if any. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.